Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Info Welfare. Let's understand in this video tutorial how to fix or repair any kind of the iTunes install error. If you're having a problem when you are going to connect any Apple device with your iTunes and it's not going to connect in the situation, how you will be able to configure it? If hasn't been modified of your system, how you will modify according to your system. So let's understand here. Simply I am going to download this my phone fix for software, and after downloading simply I will click on this. So I have already installed this software. Just to go for, if you would like to download directly, below the description box I have given a download link. Directly you can access to or download it from its official website, guys. Now what we have to do after installing, just you have to click on this and it will start to detect all kind of the error. So I will have to wait till the completion. It will give you information that it's required to repair or not. So I will wait here till the completion of this. So this tools, of course, you can download directly from description box, guys. And this software has been especially designed for Apple device. So of course go for it to download. Now see, 8% I have completed. I will have to wait till the completion of the absolute or 100%. So this is easy way, guys. You can fix all kind of the iTunes installed error. So 8% I will have to wait till the completion of absolute. So let's see what will happen. So scarcely, guys, I think it will take a 2 to 5 minute time to detect all kind of the error in iTunes. So and according to the error it will guide to you to proceed your step. So simply according to the guideline of this tool, so you will have to approach. Now see, 24% 40% is completed. So almost 50% is I have completed to fix it. Now 72% is. Similarly, this thing, if you would like to repair, fix any kind of the error of iTunes, of course by virtue of the 3U tool also you can do it. So here I'm using my phone fix for software. So let's see, 72% is completed. 88% is almost done now. See, guys, while you're operating this to fix or repair of any iTunes error, of course your system should be connected with the internet. So now see, guys, it's giving the message detection completed. Now no need to, not require to be repaired. So guys, it's normal. If there is going to be error, then there will be one option to repair it, fix it. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. My motive, that's how you will remove the all kind of the error, how you will fix the all kind of the iTunes installed error of any Apple device. for any Apple device, guys, here. So because as we know that while we are going to connect with any Apple device, it's not going to modify. Yeah, sometimes the messages are giving that your system hasn't been modified. So in that situation, we need to modify, we need to configure, we need to fix the all kind of the error of that. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Still, if you have any query, of course you can raise the query below the comment box, and blindly I will reply as soon as possible according to your the query, guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. If this video is acknowledgeable, then please don't forget like and subscribe to my channels, because this is a thing that will motivate me to more and more video for your enhancing the knowledge. So this is all about. Thank you very much, guys. Have a great